The Ulta Beauty The Spring Lineup Kit is available now for $24 with 11 skincare favorites worth $60 to help brighten and refresh your skin. If I am lucky enough to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. The kit will include Benilico Travel Size Clean It Zero Pore Clarifying Balm 0.23 ounce, Bondi Sands Dark Self Tanning Foam 1.35 ounce, CeraVe AM Facial Moisturizing Lotion SPF 30 0.17 ounce, Cetaphil Gentle Exfoliating Saw Cleanser 1 ounce, e.l.f. Skin Bright Icon Vitamin C plus E plus Ferulic Serum Mini, Hero Cosmetics Mighty Patch Invisible Plus, that's a 6 count, I Do Care Morning Dew Hydrating Lotus Flower Mask 0.67 ounce, La Roche-Posay Anthos Mineral Tinted Ultra Light Face Sunscreen Fluid SPF 50.17 ounce, Mad Hippie Vitamin C Serum Deluxe 0.5 ounce, My Nio Pure Cleansing Oil 0.84 ounce, Vichy Levactive 16% Pure Vitamin C Brightening Serum 0.13 ounce. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.